Did you know a criminal mastermind fooled the Nazis so completely they gave him their highest honor while he was secretly saving British lives? Eddie Chapman was a professional safecracker and con artist, imprisoned on Jersey when German forces invaded in 1940. The Nazis saw opportunity in his criminal skills and recruited him as a spy against Britain. But Chapman had other plans. He immediately contacted MI5 and became a double agent. For years, he walked a deadly tightrope, feeding false intelligence to his German handlers while secretly working for the British. He staged elaborate fake sabotage operations, using controlled explosions to convince the Nazis he was destroying British factories. The deception required perfect timing. One mistake meant execution by either side. His greatest triumph came during the V-1 rocket attacks on London. Chapman convinced the Germans their rockets were overshooting targets, causing them to adjust coordinates short of the city. Thousands of lives were saved by this single lie. The Nazis awarded him the Iron Cross. Britain gave him a pardon and payment. He remains the only person ever honored by both sides of World War II.